Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. In the previous class, we have done lesson number 2, how many new words and opposites. Isn't it? Did you all remember? Yes. In today's class, we will be writing singular plural and naming words exercise in our English classwork. Be ready with your English classwork. Open your English classworks and write the date here. Today's date is 10th. Okay? 10-8-20. Heading will be singular dash plural. Let me explain you what is singular and plural. Singular means only one thing and plural means many, one and more. Many. First one will be, I'll explain you with the help of example. T-R-E-E, tree. If there is one tree, we will say tree. If we see two, what we will say? T-R-E-E-S, trees. Isn't it, children? Second one, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. If we see one monkey, we say monkey. If we see two or three, what we say? M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Third example will be A-P-P-L-E, apple. If you have one apple, you say, I have an apple. If you have 3 or 4, what you will say? You will say, I have apples. Yes? We will be adding S to the words. Fourth one will be H-A-T, hat. H-A-T-S, hats. Isn't it simple, children? Yes. Fifth one will be S-H-O-E, shoe. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Sixth one will be B-O-X, box. Here we will be adding B-O-X-E-X-S, boxes, children. Yes? B-O-X-E-S, we are adding E-S. Seventh one will be B-I-R-D, bird. If there is one, we will say bird. If there are many, we say B-I-R-D-S, birds. In this way, you will be writing singular, plural. On the next page, we will be writing the date again. 10-8-20. We will be writing G-R-A-M-M-E-A-R, grammar. Grammar. Now, in this we will be learning nouns or naming words. Here we will be writing the definition of noun. First line, capital letter A, N-O-U-N, noun. I-S is a name of a person. Yes, you have written in your assignments also. Okay. Person, place, animal and thing. Yes. Isn't it so easy? Example we will be writing. Yes, we will be writing the example, children. So, person example will be any person's name you can say. We will say Raja is a noun. Then place. Any place you can say place. In place we will be writing S-C-H-O-O-L. School is a place to learn. Then animal. Any animal you can write. Yes, we will write C-A-T, cat. Then THING, thing. You can write by your own also, children, okay? Anything, TABLE, table. In this way, a noun is a name of a person. On the next page, I will be giving you homework. This is your homework, children. Circle the nouns, okay? You have to circle the nouns. A bit, person, person. Here I will be writing few names of the persons. You have to circle them. First one is Reena, Raja, play, moon, Seema, sweet, Rani. These are few words. You have to see if it is a person, you have to circle it. Example, Reena is a name of a person. So you have to circle like this. Next one will be B. PLACE, place. DELHI, Delhi. JAIPUR, Jaipur. BOOK, book. SCHOOL, school. PENCIL, pencil. MARKET, market. Here also you have to see whether these are places, you have to circle it. Next, C. Animal. This is simple, children. You will be doing by your own. Kitchen, dog, BARK, bark. MONKEY, monkey. HORSE, horse. CART, cart. In these also you have to see whether it is an animal, you have to circle it. If it is not, you should not circle it. Then next one will be THING, thing. FAR, far. BUG, bug. BOX, box. PENCIL, pencil. GOOD, good. BAG, bag. In these also you have to see where are the things and you have to circle the things. Parents should help the child to do the homework. Just guide them, parents, and they will definitely do it. You have to just do this homework and write singular plural one time in your classwork. See you in the next class. Bye bye.